NEAR might gain 3% by tomorrow based on digital coin price data. First, let's get a sense of how things are moving today. As we speak, NEAR has gone down 0.3% and is sitting around $1.165. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. Digital coin price suggests the price may advance to $1.20 by March 30, adding up to a gain of 3%. NEAR could advance to $1.188, according to Cryptonization, roughly 2% higher than now. Traders Union notes it might be on track for $1.181, implying a gain of 1.4%. A different outlook from Gov Capital Collector expects NEAR could sink to $1.164, a decrease estimated near 0.1%. And last but not least, Crypto Predictions expects $1.11 by tomorrow, a 4.7% downside. This one brings the highest potential reward. The outlooks are complete. Let's see the broader view. With all forecasts considered, here's what the numbers show. Looking at the forecasts side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decrease of 4.7% and an increase of 3%, depending on the analyst. Ultimately, Crypto Predictions predicts the top return with 4.7% gain in value by March 30. In short, you could pocket between $1 and $47 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, Gov Capital Collector's forecast is at the top of the chart with a 93.5% chance of success. From all the forecasts combined, I've created one consolidated scenario. The consolidated forecast suggests NEAR is near $1.169. So, here's the breakdown. The consensus forecast indicates a 0.3% increase in price. As a result, your capital may also advance by approximately 0.3%. On a 1,000 position, this might represent $3 gained. The probability tied to the consensus projection working out is roughly 92.8%. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. Digital coin price believes the price is set to climb further. For the days ahead, likewise, Cryptonization signals further gains. Meanwhile, Traders Union projects the price advancing over the 3 days. Gov Capital Collector anticipates the market staying quiet. Crypto Predictions sees the price heading higher. Taken as a whole, the consensus highlights that NEAR is likely to follow a rising path with positive momentum across the 3-day horizon. Looking across the different forecasts, 80% of analysts anticipate growth, pointing to a stronger outlook for NEAR. 5 sites published forecasts 2 days ago. Yesterday showed how accurate they turned out. In the end, the final outcome was $1.173. The majority of analysts captured the way the market actually moved. 30 rates had the most spot on prediction. Let's see it piece by piece. Only one forecast aligned with yesterday's candle. And about ROI, there were multiple profitable forecasts topped by 30 rates at 3.7%. And now, see how all forecasts performed side by side. In today's data, 30 rates registered in accuracy, 71.4% forecast probability, and 3.7% ROI. Look through the data and see if your expectations match the results. Now we're moving on to tomorrow's forecast comparison across several coins, including NEAR. At third place is NEAR, with Cardano currently leading the forecasted profitability at 1.7%. Here we're featuring only 5 cryptocurrencies, while the extended comparison of many crypto returns will also be added to the site and Telegram soon. And that's today's wrap-up. Subscribe to stay ahead of the next wave of forecasts. See you around.